Okay, so today I'm going to be cleaning the heads. As you can see, I mean, that stuff is filthy. Good God. And I'll be replacing the valve springs as well. But yeah, I guess I'll just let them, this area anyway, soak in some degreaser for a little bit and then start chipping it away. Alright, so just so you guys can see what it used to look like right there. As you can see, pretty filthy, and pretty much what it looks like right now after cleaning. So just kind of comparison between the two. I still haven't cleaned inside, which you may or may not see on this deposit inside here. Nope. Yeah, you pretty much get the point though. It's pretty filthy inside. And same over here and all the other ones. So I'm going to clean those out a little bit and finish taking off some of this residue along the sides and start working on the other head. So just when I started cleaning the inside, I run out of everything. Lacquer thinner, run out of any kind of degreaser, so had to go to the store real quick and buy some stuff. And I guess now I'm going to continue on. But yeah, this process right here took about 30 minutes, another 15 minutes of being chased around by a bee, and then another 30 minutes going to the store. Sometimes it just takes forever. So let's start. Well, actually, I got to finish this one up and then start on that one. Okay, so after about another 15 minutes, maybe 20, everything is pretty much about as clean as it gets. Just kind of show you from the inside of some of this stuff, like this one. It's pretty filthy in there. Okay, so now that this one is clean, just gotta clean this one and start disassembling it. To kind of show you a little bit more of the process, I'm going to soak this up with this Purple Power degreaser and just let it kind of soak in there a little bit, and then we'll start removing some of the larger chunks. Okay, so initially I'll just take a paper towel and start taking out some of this larger debris. Then I'll show you guys how far I'll do that. After I'm done, we'll move on to phase 2. Okay, so phase 1 is complete. Now basically what I'm going to do is just start cleaning it up a little bit more with a lacquer thinner and then move to phase 3. Okay, so pretty much phase 3 and 4, I'm going to wrap some paper towels around the flathead screwdriver like this. Good God, that bee's back. And just go on the insides of this right here and clean out this gunk. And then I'm also going to remove this tape, start cleaning it on the inside. And for just detail work, I'll use this little needle and just go around again with some paper towels wrapped around just to clean everything up. Also go underneath here and do some detail work on the other side. So get ready to see what it looks like. Alright, well there we go. The outside is clean completely, and I don't know if you can see it. Let's see that one especially right there. See how much dirty it is than that one. So I gotta clean all of that out so that it looks something like that. Nice and clean versus extremely dirty. So yeah, I'll just soak it up. A little paper towel with some lacquer thinner, stick it in there with my finger, and it comes out pretty easily. But this black stuff definitely is sticky. The residue, I guess, the whatever buildup it is. All right, as soon as I'm done with that, heads will be clean. Okay, so both of the heads are now fully clean. I think I am going to take this bracket off here a little bit and paint it with that rust to black primer. But I'm going to remove the spark plugs, put some new ones in there, and remove the springs, valve springs, and put the titanium ones that I got in. So that process is up next. I think what I'm going to do is replace the spark plugs first. So got that in there. I'm going to unscrew them and then torque them down to 11 pounds. So yeah, these things were torqued down pretty tight when using such a small little socket wrench. And there they are. So here are the new ones. They're the AC Delco Iridium spark plugs. I'm pretty sure these don't require any kind of anti-seize, but I'm almost tempted to put some on regardless. Okay, so I decided to do this without any anti-seize. So every word that I've read, pretty much everyone's saying don't do it. There's only a few guys that are saying go ahead and use anti-seize, but on an aluminum head, for the general consensus is don't use anti-seize. So I'm using this Husky electric 3/8 torque wrench. That's from 5 to 80 foot-pounds. So I've set it currently at 11 foot-pounds, so better start torquing these things down. Okay, so all the spark plugs on this head, which is driver's side head, have been torqued down to 11 foot-pounds. Now just time to do the passenger side head. Alright, so passenger side spark plugs have been removed. So they look pretty good as well. We'll clean out some of these tubes right here. Just make sure everything's clean, and then put the 4 new ones in there at 11 foot-pounds as well. Just so you guys can see an in-action shot. Kind of holding down the head, and there we go, it clicked. So we know it's at 11 foot-pounds right now. Also, from what I understand, just from doing a little bit of research, is that if you have new heads, at that point you should torque them down to 15 foot-pounds, and then any subsequent changes like the ones we're doing right now, spark plugs should be torqued down to 11 foot-pounds. So I guess that's where that 11 or 15 foot-pounds keeps coming from when you look it up.